The 7 best ways to prevent the spread of influenza. Influenza, commonly referred to as the flu, is an infectious disease that can be highly contagious. It is caused by an influenza virus and can be spread rapidly through contact with an infected person or surface. It is important to take steps to prevent the spread of influenza, as it can cause serious health complications. Here are 7 of the best ways to prevent the spread of influenza. Getting the flu shot. Washing your hands properly. Avoiding contact with those who are sick. Avoiding touching your face. Cleaning and disinfecting frequently touched surfaces. Staying home when you are sick. And wearing a face mask in public. By following these steps, you can help protect yourself and your loved ones from the flu. What is influenza? Influenza is an infection caused by one of several types of viruses. Symptoms typically include fever, body aching, and nausea. The infection is generally very uncomfortable but rarely serious. It can, however, cause complications in those who are very young, old, or have certain medical conditions. Influenza is not just a winter thing, but also occurs all year. It comes in 2 basic types, the snow flu and the swine flu. The snow flu is caused by a type of virus that predominated during the winter months. The swine flu, on the other hand, is caused by a different type of virus that is common during summer. You can also get the flu from birds, but this is much less common than getting the flu from humans. The importance of preventing the spread of influenza. When you are sick with the flu, you may not feel like doing anything, but that is when the virus is most contagious for others. The best way to prevent the spread of influenza is to stay home when you are sick. If you have to go to work or school, wear a mask and cover your nose with a tissue to prevent contaminating others. You can also help prevent the spread of influenza by staying away from those who are sick. Getting the flu shot. The flu shot can provide protection against the flu for a short period of time. There are 2 types of flu shots, an inactivated, killed, flu shot, which provides immunity against the virus for 1 season, and an attenuated, low virulence, flu shot, which provides immunity against the virus for 3 to 5 seasons. Some people are more likely to benefit from one type of flu shot over the other. It is important to get your flu shot each year to prevent infection and reduce the spread of the flu. There is also a vaccine for the swine flu, but it is not as effective. Washing your hands properly. Washing your hands thoroughly with soap for at least 20 seconds is one of the best ways to prevent the spread of the flu. There are a few different ways to wash your hands. Hands only. Gently scrub your hands for 20 seconds under running water. Then, use your damp hands to clean any surfaces, including your face, keyboard, and anything else that you have touched. Hand washing followed by using a wet paper towel to wipe down surfaces. Follow the above steps, but use a wet paper towel to clean and disinfect your hands and then go back to using a wet paper towel to wipe down surfaces. Hand washing followed by sanitizing your hands. Follow the above steps, but use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer between each step to kill any germs on your hands. Avoiding contact with those who are sick. It is important to avoid coming into contact with people who are sick because that can quickly spread the virus to others. When in public, keep your distance from those who are coughing, sneezing, or otherwise looking sick. If you have to be around someone who is sick, cover your mouth with a tissue when coughing or sneezing. This can help prevent the spread of the flu. Avoiding touching your face. When you are sick with the flu, touching your face is one of the most common ways to spread the virus. Instead of touching your face, try to clean your face with a wet paper towel or face towel to kill any germs. Cleaning and disinfecting frequently touched surfaces. Wash your hands thoroughly, clean frequently touched surfaces, and disinfect frequently touched surfaces, such as doorknobs, computer keyboards, and light switches. These items come into contact with a large number of people and are a good place for the flu virus to thrive. Staying home when you are sick. If you are sick, it is best to stay home to avoid spreading the virus to others. You can still go to work or school, but it is best to stay at home to avoid spreading the virus to others. If you absolutely have to go out, wear a mask to cover your mouth and nose and clean your hands thoroughly before touching anything. It is important to have clean hands when you are sick because your saliva contains antibodies that can help ward off the flu if someone else comes in contact with your hands. Wearing a face mask in public. A face mask is another way to protect yourself and others against the flu when you are sick. Face masks typically contain antibacterial or antiviral substances that can help protect against the flu.